Man, they said I was crazy for doing this. My customer has a 2019 330i, came in last minute with Black Death. If you guys don't know what that is, stay tuned. We're about to get into it. So Black Death is something that will happen on any fuel-injected vehicle. It gets into the injector holes and packs it so that you can't get any type of gasoline out of it, causing misfires, limp modes, all types of bad stuff. We're just reconnecting everything, and yeah, pretty simple. Car shouldn't be misfiring. I'm gonna go ahead and reset all the adaptation. Make sure to check us out on Instagram, streetcorsa_LA. If you guys are from LA, San Diego, or anywhere between, we are mobile. We service the whole area.